just, yeah. Okay. The reason for today's call is just to rewind and just to have fun, because I know all of you are putting in long hours of work, trying to meet the deadlines and keeping up with all the needs and requirements of your role. And we also have some right to enjoy ourselves. So I just thought we'll just have some moments together and and unwind ourselves, because that is also equally important to keep us going. Unfortunately, because of the lockdown, our finance offsite, which we had planned in Malaysia in the month of April, we had to cancel it, considering everybody's safety. So I'm hoping that we will have something very soon, whenever all of this craziness ends. But that doesn't mean that we don't have the right to enjoy ourselves. So that's the reason why I thought let's assemble together, at least on the screen, and have some moments of laughter together. Okay.
I'm going to keep announcing names of certain objects, and you all have to grab that object and show it on the camera. But the condition is you will not be getting up from your seat. You will be on your chair only, okay? And you should be able to grab that particular item if you have it close by. You cannot get up from your seat at all, okay? So you should be visible in the camera even when you're trying to grab that particular object. Yes?
Okay, great.
Okay. Everyone's understood the game?
Yes.
Yes? Yes. Okay. So the next subject is a hairbrush or a comb. A hairbrush or a comb.
Shraddha ekdam fast kaam pe lag gayi hai. Okay, Shraddha has a hairbrush right
The one,
next to her.
I think the one thing that she cannot work without.
Yeah, the one thing that Shraddha Devisha also has.
We don't use any hairbrush here, sorry as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Malaysia.
No, those who are in office cannot.
How is
cannot
in
use
office?
the hairbrush.
Right. Anybody else? So Shraddha wins hands down. Okay,
No,
hands down. Shraddha is the winner.
Yeah, Harshul is asking to his father. Just wait.
Jitendra, where is your hairbrush?
Jitendra doesn't want to speak up.
I know.
I think Shraddha has done match fixing.
No, this is very much Shraddha. She has it right next to her.
Yeah.
No
Good.
wonder.
Okay. So we move to the next object, which is a phone charger.
Phone charger. Lakshmi.
I have a laptop charger.
Here.
Okay, Lakshmi's got one. Danish has. Ashwati has. Diksha has. Everybody has. Oh my God. Kalpita,
Everyone has.
Walal, most of them. Yes.
I
Fitri,
have a power bank.
Thao.
It
Okay.
has to be a phone charger, not even a power bank. It has to be a phone charger.
No, most of them have Radha.
Okay.
Most of them
This
have
is my phone charger, not a power bank.
So thanks a lot, Radha, Aarti, I think, and thanks to all of you guys for coming together and having a great session. I think this is all required for us to keep going and continuing whatever we do. So I think we should have such kind of things more often. Unfortunately, because of the current situation, we cannot do it in person. In person would have been more fun, I agree, but with whatever limited stuff that we have, I think we have had a great time. And so just always, I mean, I think the cup game was the best one, kind of a de-stressor. I think we should all do it whenever we are all stressed. It's very easy, and she's also going to send us the video. So let's try and do that so that we are able to de-stress and remove all the the bad things that go on in our minds. So yeah, so have a great day, all of you. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy. And come back energetic and enthusiastic starting next week.
Sure. Thank you so much, Lakshmi.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for
much.
being together.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.